my loves. It's wedding season and it's time for another wedding. Welcome to a close collaboration given by the I Do crew. Now, this collab is called It's My Wedding Day 2022. And our host and wedding planner is none other than Creations by Simone. And the bridesmaids are, we have a lot of them, the Grace Life DIY, Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha, Decorating with Jazigreen, Lovemybabiesforever, Lady Cinnamon, Styling with GGFaison, Glam Elegant Living, myself, Diva Decorating, the Rodgers House, Debby Bubbles, Amethyst Adventures, and last but not least, Shawni On the Spot. Now, I'll make sure to list everyone in my description box below. So make sure to watch our I Do Crew playlist and show these talented creators some love by supporting their incredible hard work. Now, our bride wants what every bride wants, a beautiful wedding. So my job is to supply her with a bride's and groom table with her favorite colors, red and gold. So what the bride wants is what the bride gets. So let's see if I stood up to the test. So loves, first I'm going to share with you the design of the table, and then I will give you an overview. So, starting with the seating for the bride and groom, I have placed these two red sequins chair slip covers over the chairs, and they are from GGFaison. And for the foundation of the table, we have a red sequence tablecloth that's also from GGFaison, and the skirt below it is a gold skirting, and that's also from GGFaison as well. And then for our place settings, right here, I have this really pretty gold placemat, and this was purchased from Home Goods. Okay. And then I'm using this gold charger plate, which I have used in so many of my tablescapes, and that's because it goes so well with any setting, and I love using them. But today I'm using it for this setting. And this was gifted to me by Ieasha of Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha. And I think they are so beautiful. Atop that, we have across our charger a red satin napkin. And this is also from either GGFaison or Tablecloth Factory. I forget which one now, but one of the two. And then on top of that, we have our gold cutlery. And our gold cutlery is something I already had, and that was purchased at Walmart. And then I just have our cutlery tied with this beautiful sheer gold napkin, and it's also from GGFaison. And tied inside of that, I just have these beautiful red little sprays from the Dollar Tree. And for our missus over there, she has the same playset. Now, let's move to our centerpiece. And I'm going to go around to the front so you can see it better. Now, for our centerpiece, I'm using these 3 glass candle holders that I purchased from Amazon. And inside I have placed some crystals from the Dollar Tree in each one. And we have the red roses from the Dollar Tree. Now, I chose to put 1 rose in the taller candle holder vase. And then in the second one, I used 2 with a little white spray on the top. And in the third, the shorter one, has 3 stacked roses. Beside that, I'm using these little red sequins tea lights that tie in with the tablecloth. So much that you can hardly tell that they're tea lights. And in the back there, this is a globe with a real live rose in it. And this was purchased for me by my husband. So I've had this for about a good, about 6 months, I would say. And I think it's very beautiful. So it is called the Living Rose. And it's sitting on top of a DIY and with a gold trimming with a mirror. And that is a DIY. Now, before I get to the head of the table, I want to share with you the drinkware. Now, the drinkware is a champagne flute from the Dollar Tree, and it is glittered with gold glitter. That's a DIY. And for the wine glass, I have this wine glass here, which is not a glass, it's actually a metal wine cup in the color gold. Now let's move to the head of the table. At the head of the table, I am using this Mr. and Mrs. sign here that was purchased from Amazon, and it is gold and glittered. And I think that sets the table off very, very nicely. So now, guys, I will share with you an overview of the whole setting. I hope that you got a lot of inspiration from this table and a lot of motivation for your next event. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel out, and it doesn't cost you anything. In closing, I would like to thank our wedding planner and host, Simone, and all the bridesmaids for another satisfied bride and another beautiful, successful wedding. And I would like to thank all of you for watching. Until the next wedding, guys. Bye-bye, my loves.